climb inside the 2013 Nissan Maxima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors and seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.